Across our continent, there are 800 million people who do not have access to electricity. We also estimate there are about 100 million families who do not have access to affordable, sustainable mobility. Our solution, a light, electric, solar-powered tricycle for Africa. Through 2019, we tested this tricycle alongside 4 pilot customers, covering approximately 12,000 kilometers of testing, understanding their needs and also testing the reliability of our tricycle. This has led us to a newer, much better product, the Trikey, ensuring better reliability and a much better customer experience for our users. See, at the very heart of solar e-cycles, Kenya is empowering people. We want to use the Trikey as a productive asset, one that is extremely and wholly capable of delivering economic impact, demonstrable economic impact. So we're back to the same loop. Using our tricycle, finding users, understanding the reliability of our product, and most importantly, understanding the value that our tricycle adds to our users, which is fundamental if we are to ensure significant product uptake.
The true advantage of the Trikey is that it is a productive asset that will mobilize finance, which is essential to scale, particularly across Africa. Anyone using our product will experience reduced operational expenses and increased productivity. In this phase of our growth, we are focusing on high-value use cases that we have identified, and these are in the first and last mile delivery solutions. In the midterm, we will collect data from our onboard system, which will focus on specific client needs and bring feedback to our manufacturers for improvements in design that then extend the life cycle of our product, just as we have done from the very first version of the Trikey. In the long term, we expect to reduce operational costs by up to 50%. As we develop our knowledge in these specific use cases, we will then scale to other geographical areas and start exploring new opportunities for growth. We are in the right place and absolutely at the right time to be fundamental drivers of the transition to e-mobility, both in Kenya and across the continent. And for our innovation to succeed, a good product alone is not sufficient. Our knowledge of the market and relationship to key stakeholders is our real secret sauce as we pursue successful adoption of sustainable mobility across the continent. We are consistently working alongside regulators, distributors, and all major stakeholders, including international manufacturers who are ready to invest in Africa. In 2020, we served on a Government of Kenya task force, discussing a $5 million project and giving us the opportunity to interact directly with regulators and therefore create the environment where our product and our vision could be uptaken by the masses. Lastly, we've also been shortlisted by the European Union to submit a €1 million proposal to pilot projects demonstrating productive use of our Trikey across 3 countries. We are proud to have a really diverse team, leveraging experience across many sectors, from finance, engineering, to operations and administration. Our partners often are leaders in the nascent solar industry across the continent, and our privileged relationship with Strathmore University provides us with a source of young local talent. The investment will finance 2 major projects, one in an urban area and another in a rural area, both with 50 tricycles and in the last and first mile delivery space, and establish an assembly facility where we will conduct light manufacturing, such as our frames. The real objective is to collect impact data that will validate our theory of change and our financial models that we're more than happy to share with you at your request. We are so excited and looking forward to having you join us on this journey. Thank you.